Hey guys, it's Spencer here at Burlington Kia, and I've got another special pre-owned vehicle to show you guys today that just became available on the lot. This was a local trade-in. It's a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT, four-wheel drive, V8 engine, and as you can tell, it is amazing. There's no other way to say it. This is a great looking truck. It's got the Rocky Ridge altitude package, so you've got the off-road ready tires, the Mickey Thompson tires, the Rocky Ridge emblems and badging all around the vehicle. You've got a nice lift kit on this truck as well. Z71 package. It's in this very cool silver, bluish silver color. You've got your trailer hitch on the rear, your rear backup camera, your bed cover. You even got a bed liner as well. You've got your side steps here on the rear bumper. And this truck was a local trade-in. It is extra clean. I'll give you a look on the inside. So you've got the black leather interior seats. And the nice thing is these rear seats do fold up to give you a lot of storage space there, and your passengers have plenty of room in the rear of this truck. You can see you've got the Z71 emblems throughout. You've got this nice metal step rail here. Hop in here and show you a few of the features we got up front. So you notice right away you've got this nice big touchscreen display with your navigation system, and all your other apps can be accessed through here. Your radio, Bluetooth, navigation of course, OnStar. You've got some other options here as well. You do get Sirius XM radio compatibility with this vehicle. You've got driver and passenger heated seats. Of course, all your climate control settings are accessible here as well. You've got some different vehicle controls here in the middle. You've got some USB outlets, of course your adapters here, and you've even got a plug-in there as well. Over here on the steering wheel, you've got some convenient controls on the right to cycle through the different menu options. As well on the left, you've got all your cruise control settings. Like I mentioned, this vehicle is equipped with four-wheel drive, so you've got all your four-wheel drive controls there on the side. So, if you're looking for a lifted, off-road ready, good looking truck, come on down and see us. We're located in Burlington, right off of exit 143, off of Interstate 40. Be sure to check out our website as well. That is burlingtonkianc.com. So come on down and check this thing out. It's not gonna last long at all. You'll be riding in style, the baddest Chevy on the road.